Hello everyone, and welcome back to another 100 Days of Making Comics with me, Zabethy. Today is day 25. It is currently 1 o'clock in the morning as I record this, and I did my comic recording at around 4 o'clock this afternoon, so it's quite a bit later. I ended up hanging out with my wife for a little while, doing some other recording for another video I want to put up, and, playing video games with my mom. I played Fortnite with her for about 2.5 hours. I had a couple of questions, though I only have one of them pulled up. One of them I answered directly. Sarah Campbell asks, by the way, what camera do you use? I've been thinking about doing sketch vlogs eventually. So I have a Samsung S8. It's my phone. I actually specifically got it because at the time it had a better camera than the iPhone. So that's what I use. I have been looking into eventually getting an actual camera, like a DSLR, but I'm not sure when I would get it and what the setup would be. And the day that I resigned from my job, I actually dropped my phone and the screen is now cracked. So I'm a little bit gutted about that and slightly worried. Hopefully it lasts me a good long time still. I can live with the spider crack, but it's a concern. I find that it records and takes photos and does everything to the degree that most of the DSLRs that are beginner stages can do. The only problem is I can't control the autofocusing while I'm recording. Not to the degree I would like to be able to. I have been thinking about using a webcam as a secondary viewpoint, though that would be a little bit more complex, and since once I'm done working at my job I won't have my laptop, it will actually be almost an impossibility as my main rig is downstairs and that's where I'll have to do all of my editing of video, etc. So today I did a count of how many days I'm actually ahead. I thought it was 4, maybe 5 days, but now that I've looked back at the video and sliced them up properly, I had some videos in the past that were 3 videos long essentially, so my camera only records 30 minutes at a time, and then after that it cuts off to another clip so that the video doesn't become too big. As it records an AVI, each 30 minutes is about 3 gigs. So I did a double check and I am actually 3 days ahead if you don't count the day I'm doing editing. Once I am not working at my job anymore, I will be putting 3 videos up in one day, and then I will just be uploading as each day comes, essentially. I won't have that buffer. I don't need the buffer, especially since I won't be teaching anymore. For now, the buffer is good because it gives me time to edit the video ahead of time and then just do voiceovers afterwards. So yeah, I'm really excited about being just uploading the day that I'm doing stuff. It gives me less to worry about, and I think overall it'll help streamline things because right now I'm playing a constant game of catch up. So I record, I do my voiceover, I edit, I upload, and that is basically what I do until the weekend, in which I edit all of my videos and then I upload them with the voiceover waiting. So sometimes I have nothing to say. I would not be able to talk for 3 videos in advance. I just don't have the capability. Yeah. So today I was working on emoticons, like emojis for stream chat, and I think that once the set that I'm doing is done, I'm going to upload the video. I just need permission from the people that I did the emotes for, just, so that everything is okay with that. I'm pretty sure I'll get permission from my mom. The other one is I'm doing a couple of free emotes for another streamer. I just need their permission. Besides that, I tried to fix my wife's computer with her and it exploded. So we now have one PC and that would be mine. So, she also has her Mac, which she does work from. So the next couple of months are going to be interesting. We're going to try to save up and get her a new computer, and I'm going to have to try to save up and get myself a laptop because not having one, it might kill me. I might just fall over and die. The ease of having a laptop to take it everywhere, to edit, to do video, to do art on is just, it's too good to let go. But yeah, I'm really hoping to have a video up sometime this week where I'm just doing the emotes, and I really wanted to get them up last week. I just haven't had time between working and everything else. I just have to find a way to prioritize. So priority is sanity, work, art, and then everything else falls after. Not my wife. She's up there with sanity. She is my sanity at this point. So I've been thinking a lot about it, and I think if I get the storyline down for the second short one-shot comic, I think I'm gonna do that instead of just doing the comic that my wife and I are working on. I will be doing that one in the background as well, since I will have more time, like significantly more time, about 40 to 50 hours a week more time, in fact. I think that I'm gonna approach some things as if they're a job and the comic thing as its secondary. I want some of the stuff I'm working on with the comic, the other comic, the big comic. I want some of that stuff to just be private for a little while. I'm gonna record them, and I think eventually I'll get to the point where I feel okay uploading them. I know that some of the problem is, this niggling in the back of my head. There's just this sense of doom when it comes to uploading that particular comic. I need to get all the kinks worked out with my brain. I was also thinking that I want to do more art-related videos, and I was wondering, what kind of videos would you like to see? I'm kind of interested in doing some silly videos, some quote-unquote challenge videos. I don't find all challenge videos challenging necessarily, but they're very interesting to watch. Like, I personally like watching 3 marker challenges and like single line challenges and things like that, because while they're not actually challenging for me to do, I like to see what people do. So I don't know, are there any challenges out there, or any videos, or any tutorials that you want? I was very interested earlier in doing some just very basic but not condescending tutorials on things like how to use Photoshop and how to use Animate and how to use whatever it is, the programs that I'm using. So I use After Effects, Animate, Photoshop, Premiere Pro pretty consistently. And I was thinking I could do a bare minimum, like the basics on each of them, giving shortcuts, giving everything that you would need as a person coming in with no knowledge. But I'm not entirely certain how many people would even want those. I think if I was going to start with them, I would start with the Premiere Pro one so that my mom would have the full knowledge on how to use Premiere Pro and edit things. Because I know that there are some times that she wants to do clips or videos of her own and she doesn't have a full handle on the programs. She's getting there because she's been doing it, like muddling through by herself like a champ. I was thinking making that process easier for people would be good. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, a comment, maybe even subscribe. I hope you're having a wonderful day, night, or morning, whatever time it is, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.